So for the official, click here to subscribe. Okay, so this banana cake is a cake prepared using banana as a primary ingredient and a typical cake ingredients. And it can be prepared in many various manners, such as a loaf, as a muffins, and as a cupcakes. And so today, I'll be showing you how simple it is to make a moist banana cakes. So get ready and let's start! In order to make this recipe, we need these ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup oil, 1 cup overripe mashed banana, 1 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 and 1/2 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. In a large bowl, mix together the eggs, the milk, and the oil until the ingredients are well blended. Whisk together, but do not overmix. Then, you can now add your mashed banana, sugar, and the vanilla extract. Mix it well. I might have told you that I love chilled ripe banana. You can prepare this the same way that I do. This moist banana loaf recipe is so easy. However, it is important that you pay extra attention to the state and amount of banana that you will use. Overripe bananas are the best, as far as I am concerned. It is also recommended to use 2 extra large bananas or 3 medium-sized bananas to attain the best possible. Then add brown sugar and mix it again. Sift in flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix it all together, but make sure not to overmix. And now this is the consistency that we are looking for. Grease the loaf pan and then pour the mixture on it. You can choose any molder according to your preference. You may pour on a cupcake molder or a shaped cake pan. The choice is yours. And now you can put any toppings you want on your cupcakes. And now we're going to bake it at 325 Fahrenheit temperature for at least 15 minutes or until it passes the toothpick test. Now remove from the oven, let it cool down, or you can refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now our baked goodies are ready. By just watching this video, I feel so hungry. And I'm sure everyone will like this. Slice the banana loaf with raisins and arrange in a serving plate. Serve and share and enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. Actually, this is my first time that I tried this recipe and it was a huge hit to the last round. I love it, really, but I had to adjust the sugar as it was a bit too sweet for my taste. But the second time I made it, I adjusted the sugar to almost a 1/4 cup. But I added more overripe bananas and it worked well for me. What are you waiting for? Try it on your own and tag me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shout out Garner.